game. It's a rich thing.
Wait, what? Fuck, I need a cop's pulling me over. They're mean. I don't go in.
I got no windshield wipers and it's raining right now, you guys. You didn't bring the 240 out or the Corvette. Oh, we're gonna get hit. Hell no, we get behind the pool.
Here comes the itchy boom.
Random people come in and take pictures. That's clear. I told you the RX-7, bro. I told you it's the RX-7. All right, guys, we made it over here to Kristen's house. We brought some people from that little meet that we were having over there. Bro, everybody with you, bro? Let Chris drive for a little bit. E30. We're gonna do paint, body work, and we got some wheels you guys already seen for this. Probably gonna get a body kit and some other stuff, front bumpers, rear bumpers. We already marked all most of the dents that need fixed. You gonna check the other one? The signals? Alright guys, so the E30 on the wheels looks clean. We had little Chris mark all the spots that are gonna be for the dents that we can see. This is gonna be getting painted soon, you guys, so you're gonna see that after we get done with the R33. We started working on this yesterday, but I'll catch you guys up. I got some video clips that I'll throw in. If any of you guys want this, DM me on Instagram or just leave a comment. I can message you. 9K or OBO. Everything's fully done on it. My nose hair is already red. Look.
Take this shit off.
Yeah, we didn't even know you could take it off. Bruh.
40 years later.
Bro. And we learned something right now. And it still came out clean.
There's no orange peel, bro.
No, there's no orange peel. Alright guys, you guys seen that we found trash in the cap. We cleaned that out. There's spots. No big deal. West End and Buff. But stay posted. Like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna start working on this tomorrow.
Break it down low, take it to the ground. I'ma break it down right now. How you do it? Like I see you running, do you? Like I do it, can't do it, get it, go. Run it up, get it up, get it up. Weed like a rock, smoke weed